Hi Wendy. The question is, will I lose weight and be comfortable with myself? Of course you can lose weight and be comfortable with yourself. However, to be able to achieve that, we need to look at different aspects of why you're not losing weight and why you're not feeling comfortable with yourself. The first aspect is, what's the trauma that's been created which makes your body feel like it needs to protect itself? Because the reality is, when people put on weight, whether it's obesity weight or whether it's muscular weight, it is to protect trauma that's in the body. So we need to understand what that trauma is, and we need to release it physically from the body, from the brain, from your mind, from your soul, and from the energy systems. Then once you're able to release that, then the programs and patterns and the habitual habits of what's being put in the mouth or what's not being done actively will be able to change. So as I dealt with the trauma, then we can look at the foods. So the first thing we'll look at with the foods is someone that's overweight and not comfortable with themselves, is to start with what I'll call physical based foods, which is about breaking through the fat. So we're looking at foods that are pungent, astringent, and bitter in taste. We're looking at spicy foods that can break down the fat, that can break through the fat. We're looking at ginger, garlic, chilies, turmeric, those types of spices in the foods to break down and through the fat. What we've also got to do is look at introducing good fats into the body. So what happens in the body is we've got low density lipoproteins and we've got high density lipoproteins, which are just cholesterol, which is fat. When we've got too many low density, which is the fats that we don't want, the only way we can remove those is by the body bringing in high density, so it creates a balance between the fats. Because the low density will stay stored in the body until it sees that there's high density lipoproteins coming in the body, and then it'll go, okay, I can move out now. So then what's a quick hit of high density lipoproteins is ghee oil, Ghee. Now ghee can be used as oil for food. Ghee can be taken orally. It can be used for butter. It's got so many different uses. So ghee's one, and then you've got avocados, which are naturally got high density lipoproteins, good cholesterol basically. And then once we've dealt with the trauma, once we've got the nutrition right, then we can move on to the exercise. Start doing slow exercise, slow activities, slow walks, yoga, tai chi, slow movement activities, non-strenuous activities, swimming, before moving into a bit more high intensity exercise. And then once you move through that trauma, once you've put those right foods into your body and blasted out the fat, and once you've got movement, you will feel extremely comfortable in your body. You'll be comfortable in yourself, you'll be confident in yourself, you will love yourself again. If you'd like support to fast track you through these 3 steps of clearing the trauma, the right nutrition for you, and the right exercise for you, I do one-on-one intensives where I can just work one-on-one with you, or I do retreats where I work one-on-one with you, just got a few more people there at the retreat, or I do courses where you go through this but also get to learn about all this as well and the detail of it. You can go to www.uniquecommunity.com.au, click on experiences, and all the experiences will be there for you. I'd love to catch up with you in person and have you come and move beyond the weight, move beyond the discomfort in yourself, and move into a place of feeling light and loving yourself again. However, if you're not ready for that, please follow these protocols knowing that you can lose weight, that you can become comfortable in your body again, and that these protocols will support you in doing that. I'm excited to hear from you to book in for a retreat or a one-on-one intensive or a course, or even just to share with me how your health is changing from following these protocols. Until then, take care. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, however I have doctors that support me on the other side. So when I can see dysfunction in your body, they support me to understand what the dysfunction is and also how to treat that dysfunction. I also tap in to my studies in Ayurvedic medicine to support with understanding the dysfunction and how to treat the dysfunction. However, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to go and see your doctor as the first point of call.